Welcome back to this new video. Today I am going to show you how we can use the wrap rows and wrap columns function in Microsoft Excel. These two functions are the new Excel function which is available from version 2021 and onwards and in Excel 365. If you are using the older Excel versions, then you will not be able to use these two functions, but you can try these functions for free by logging into the web version of Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Here I have the list of some home appliance products. My requirement here is to wrap these products in multiple rows. Like here currently it is in the single column, and I want to wrap these items in multiple row or columns. In this case I can use the wrap rows or wrap columns function. So here in this cell, let me press is equal to, then type the wrap rows function, open parenthesis. In this vector we have to select our list range or our data range, then give a comma. In this wrap count we have to put the number of items that we want to display in one row. So here let me put 4 for example, close parenthesis and hit enter. Here you see this function has wrapped up all these items in multiple row. The first 4 items are kept in the first row, the second 4 items are kept in the second row, and so on. And when the list is over, it will throw the NA error message. To remove this NA error, you can use the third parameter of the formula. So double click on this, click after 4, put a comma, and here in this pad width parameter you can replace these NA errors. So to display blank here you can type double quotation 2 times in the pad width parameter, then press enter, and here you see the NA error is removed. Instead of displaying the blank cell, if you want to display some other value, then you can change it by going to the formula. Then here between these double quotation, if you put the dash symbol, press enter, then you will get this dash here. So this is how the wrap rows function works. Now let's use the wrap calls function here in this cell. Press is equal to, type the wrap calls function, open parenthesis. In the vector, let's select this name list range, comma. In the wrap count, let me put 7 for example, close parenthesis and hit enter. Here you see the items are wrapped to different columns. The first 7 item is put in the first column, then the second 7 item is put in the second column, and so on. When the list is over, you will get this NA error. To replace this, again double click on the formula. Then here in the pad width parameter, you can put double quotation 2 times to display blank here. Then press enter, and you see these NA errors are now removed. So this is how we use the wrap rows and wrap calls function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by tapping on the like button below, and also subscribe to the channel to get similar kind of video updates in future. Thank you so much for watching. We will again meet on next tutorial.